Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn logical formula, how to logical conditions we can apply inside a formula. So here logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. These three are very important to apply in Google Spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel formulas to get a condition, two or more conditions. If we need to check in a single formula, we are going to apply these logical conditions. So how super easily we can embed to other functions, how we can add to write to get a required solutions, we are going to seeing here by using AND operator. These are the operators basically we can say, OR operator, OR, and NOT, NOT operator. So here just I'm trying to showing you a basic data idea of data value 1, value 2 in a scenarios. The first condition is true. For example, if condition we are written a specific range and given greater than 3000. If the data is available, it is giving us a data. So means it's a true condition, means we are getting a data. If it is a false condition, we won't get the data. Beautiful. Now how super easily and if one or more conditions if we are verifying, what is the possibility? What is the possibility and how we need to compare two or more conditions? Yes, here these operators, logical AND or NOT operators, will add or embed to the functions or formulas to get to verify more conditions. Let's see, two scenarios are true, like a number of conditions you can add it. Here I am taking more than one, that is two conditions I am taking. First condition is true and second condition is true. What happens using AND operator? So AND operator when we are using, if both scenarios are true, then only ultimately the whole condition is true. This lecture you can listen twice or thrice to understand a logical functionality in formulas or queries to apply. And the first condition true and second condition true, ultimately it is a true. To apply of AND operator and see the logical expression of first one comma second one, just let's check it. Ultimately it is a true. And the first condition is true, next condition is false, means in AND operator it's a whole statement is false. Let's see, if I dragged it, automatically it will pass no. And similarly here it is a first condition is false and second condition is true. Ultimately this is also a false statement. Even if the both scenarios are false means at the ultimately it's the end condition is also like end result is also false. And now you clearly observe, whereas using AND operator and AND method we have applied here. So here it's an OR logical operator. When we are apply, what happens? You check it with the same scenario of conditions have taken for val 1, val 2, and here I am writing OR operator, which is the first expression comma the second expression, put the end parenthesis. See the suggestion it is giving like control enter. Yes, control enter to accept. Excel like this Google Spreadsheet is also suggesting for us to take a appropriate decision. So beautifully we are going to working such a statements. Now first it's a true means it's a true false it means like a true. Either one condition if it is true in our scenario, ultimately the whole statement is true. Got it? And similarly here it is any one condition is true means whole statement is true. If both are false, then only the scenario is only the false statement, like a false condition. And not, it's a really awesome. not equal to not of the expression, if it is true, what you will get? The opposite of this result. That's it. What you are getting in a result, opposite of, if these scenarios, if you apply not, means you will get the result of opposite, negation. That's it. And one more important information, it is Boolean expression 0, 1, 1, 0, some scenarios will apply. So when you apply Boolean expression is also not of this A31, you check it, it's a false, and it's like control enter. Okay, yeah, yes, and here also we can write it. If we are not accepted the suggestions, we need to write manually. Got it? No issue. If we learn like multiple options to complete these scenarios, then it would be easy you to write formulas quickly. You can write the formulas quickly. Got it? And now you simply observe. We applied AND operator and OR operator and OR formula, OR operator, and NOT, and Boolean expression of 1, 0, something like true, false also you can take, false, true, this also you can take. So expression by applying of this statement also you have seen clearly. So these operator, by putting multiple conditions when you are trying to adding using if statements, then you will get more accurate result. More conditions you are getting and logical way, and you are getting the result sheets. It will help you to make you a beautiful reporting. Wish you good luck. Try to practice and watch this lecture if need one more time. Good luck.